With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is statement 1, that is sparingly soluble salts AB and XY2 with the same solubility product will have different solubility. Statement 2 is solubility of the sparingly soluble salt depend upon the solubility product. So in this question we are given two statements. We have to find that these statements are correct or not, and statement 2 is the correct explanation for statement 1 or not. So statement 1 is saying that sparingly soluble salts AB and XY2, they are given that they have same solubility product. So if it means it is given that they will have different solubility. So if we dissociate AB, so it will dissociate as A plus and B minus. Its solubility will be S. It's also S, so it's KSP, that is solubility product. It will be concentration of A positive and concentration of B negative. So this will be S into S, that is S square. So its solubility will be under root of KSP. Now if we find out the solubility for the XY2, so that will be XY2 salt, that it will dissociate as X positive and X2 positive and Y negative. So it will be 2Y negative. Now if at time t is equal to 0, its concentration is C, they will be 0, and if it dissociate by S amount, so it will form in S and this will form in 2S. Now its KSP will be concentration of X2 positive into concentration of Y negative raised to power its stoichiometric coefficient, so it will be S into 2S square. So this will be 4S square into S, that is 4S cube, that is equal to KSP. So its solubility will be S cube will be KSP by 4 and solubility will be KSP divided by 4 power 1 by 3. So if they have same solubility product KSP, their solubilities are different. So this statement is correct, that is if they have same solubility product but their solubility is different. This is correct statement. Second one is given that solubility of sparingly soluble salt depend upon solubility product. So the solubility, we are seeing that if they have same solubility product, the solubility is not depending on the solubility product, it is depending on the ionic product. Solubility, it is depending on ionic product, that is the product of the concentration of the ions. So this statement is incorrect. So correct option to this question will be that statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. So C is the correct answer, that statement 1 is true and 2 is false. I hope you understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.